Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 17th day of October 2013. Okay, so the Marianas Trench, deepest place on Earth, right? Deepest place on the planet Earth. And we see a big circular pattern right all the way, just completely surrounding this area. There's the Marianas Trench right here. Okay, this deepest place on the planet Earth. Okay, so what was I going to say about this? Oh, goodness. Deepest place on Earth. So why is it the deepest place on Earth? I was going to show you why it is, and this is certain, for certain. If you can't see it, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, Schrödinger crater, the creator and shaper of all hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons on planet Earth. Take any cyclone, any hurricane, any typhoon, whichever, from any day. Hurricane Andrew. Take a picture of Hurricane Andrew. Put it right inside this, and it will line up with Earth. This crater, if you line this up right with Hurricane Andrew, the pictures that we have, it will line up with the Earth properly. Okay, so this, I'm sure this shapes every cyclone, typhoon. I'm going to show you the typhoon right now. Okay, so here's the weather right now. I lined this up to the weather, just because I know this crater shapes every one of these storms or whatever. But this is a reversed image of the lunar surface, South Pole, lunar South Pole. And yesterday, when I put this here, there was a little bit more, there was a few more lines in the weather, but I didn't save it. So of course the weather changed, but you can still see it fit here pretty good. And if I don't save the weather, then if I wait to show you, then I might be waiting a while because it might not come back for a while. Excuse me. Oh man, heartburn. Okay, so anyways, I was watching a video earlier by Earthspace 102, I think that's his name, and I got that pulled up right here. This is his video, October 17, 2013. It's Earthspace 102. Give him credit for uploading this image right here. See this image? That's that same weather right there that I just showed you inside of Schrödinger. But this picture shows you what the weather that I seen yesterday. But I didn't see it in the color like on Wonder Maps here. I'm pretty sure. Oh, look, that must be NOAA actually. I don't know where he got that, but. Anyways, I recognized this as soon as I seen it. This line right here, I knew where it was, exactly where it was. This is the weather I was messing with it when I put this up here. Now I'm going to show you that weather right now. I've got it up here. So I'm going to turn off this weather, and I saved that picture from this video, and it might be a little wide still, but I got it set right here. I think it's a little too wide, maybe. No, it looks pretty good actually. See that? Do you see that? Look, there's the storm. There's the weather. And then just check this shape out right here. It's the same thing. It might be just a little bit big. I might have a little bit too wide, so I just kind of threw it up there real quick. Let's see if I can get it a little bit better. Telling you people, the moon's hit the Earth. If you don't see it, you're missing out. I don't give a shit what people say anymore. You know, like get an education, whatever, all this stuff. I got the same education that you have. If you went to high school, I got the same education you have. So it's the same old American bullshit. Dumb you down, lie to you, whatever. I know. I mean, look at this, people. Look at this shape. And this is something I did yesterday. Actually, something else led me to this. Because this will help you put everything back together. Everything happens right here in the Pacific, apparently. Seems like. That's definitely the same thing. Like it or not. I mean, I don't understand why people can't see this. It's so clear. I mean, I'm telling you. I am telling you. That's so clear. You want to see another one? Here, I got another one of this one. Watch this. I want to get this out of the way just so I don't have to make another video for a while. Alright, so there's that. Turn this off. Want to see another one? Here you go. Okay, here you go. This one yesterday I had this Schrödinger lined up a little differently than this, but here's a for sure one right here. Okay, so here's Schrödinger, and I had it down here, but check out the alignment here, just with just this. This is where this aligns right here. See this? See this shape right here? Zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, that's right there. See that? Definitely right there. Now, check it out. Then I already had Africa in the picture with a different alignment that I had. I had it aligned a little differently, and then I brought up Africa. And I had the circle, I had Schrodinger aligned right here in this circle, but then I seen this up here, and I was like, check this out. Right there, Schrodinger. See the big circle right here? That's Schrodinger. You put Schrodinger right there, and look how Africa fits. Hold on, let me back it off a little bit. That's for sure. For sure. Then you got this right here is probably Atlantis. See that big crater right there? And it's right, the Canary Islands, they were probably Atlantis. City of Atlantis or whatever. But it broke, and see how that curves right there, right at the tip there? Right where that big crater is. You can see this. This is here, people. This is here. Believe it or not, that is right there. That's the size of Schrodinger, that crater on the Earth, or this area of the Earth. Measure that, and you'll get the real size of the moon. See that? See all this right here? Look at that. That's why this is all cloudy like this. This is a saved image, but that's why they keep making it worse and harder to see. They're trying to keep up with me because I'm waiting. See, this picture I saved before they changed Google Earth. This was easier to work with than this shit they give you now. So it just gives you more color and makes things stand out a little bit better. But that's Schrodinger. Boom, right there. Schrodinger. Look at the little point. Right there is there. See right there? Totally there. Putting these two continents together, Africa and South America. Obviously, we know that already. They were together, right? Africa, South America. Look at that. Pretty interesting. And there's another impact right here. Right here. And there's impacts all over the place, people. All over. Look at right here. It gets this area right here is an impact. And I think it all happens right here. Most of it happens right here. I don't think all of it happens right here, but most of it's happened right here, apparently. So that's just a couple things I want to show. I want to thank Earth Space 102 for putting that picture up. And believe what you want. You know, like I said, you can check this yourself. And if you don't want to check it, then it's your loss, not mine. All my questions have been answered. I already know. I can see it. It's clear, totally obvious. Unless NASA's putting out all the lunar images fake, because I've used different images, I've used so much different stuff, and it always puts itself together. It's one way or another. It just falls into place all on its own. At 5 to 6 times the size they say, I say let's just put it at 5.5 times the size they say the moon is what it's that big. That's how big it is. It's a planet. Probably bigger than the Earth, a little bit bigger, or at least as big. So check it yourself. If you don't believe me, check it yourself. You know, it's up to you. Have a good day.